let's try the traditional Turkish scrambled egg with Turkish sausage and pastorini chicken. This is called Karışık Menemen. Good morning, everyone. You know what? For the past few days, I've been having a very lavish breakfast at my hotel. I decided that I'm going to go onto the street. I'm going to find a small cafe or something like that and go for the traditional breakfast, like one dish probably, not like an entire buffet. After some research, I found out this place called Karışık Menemen, and their scrambled eggs are famous in entire Istanbul. Lots of other vloggers, lots of other content creators have also been here, and I am about to go in there and devour on some breakfast. Let's get started with the day. You're gonna get this menu, and the prices are actually not bad. The price range is anywhere from 17 Turkish lira to goes all the way, roughly average around 40 to 60 lira, which is actually pretty decent when it comes to the pricing. I'm actually gonna go for Karışık Menemen. It is a mixed scrambled eggs with Turkish sausage and pastorini chicken. So let's see how it turns out to be. One master chef is good, but if two master chefs are working on your egg, it's the best. Okay, here it is. It's served in a big deep dish. There's a lot of serving, even for a guy like me. I eat a lot, but this is going to be a lot of serving, and they serve it with loads of bread. Crispy on the outside and so soft on the inside. This is insane, amazing. To begin with, I'm first going to mix a little bit of these scrambled eggs, and then I'm going to devour on it. Oh wow, oh my god. That is so crazy. And now, the moment of truth. A piece of bread, too hot. Oh wow. Oh, this is good. This is good. Very rich, very creamy. Scrambled egg needs to have some creamy touch to it, and this dish definitely has that. And I personally like my scrambled eggs a little bit runny, a little bit creamy. There's some butter to it. There's something cooked in butter. There's a Turkish meat sausage in it, and chicken in it, eggs in it, crispy bread, soft on the inside. I'm gonna stop talking and start eating. That whole meal was insane. I am so full that, to be honest with you, with this breakfast, I can survive the entire day roaming around Istanbul. And as the Turkish tradition, how people do it in Istanbul, Turkey, and the meal with a nice, authentic Turkish tea. Enjoy. And since I have a sweet tooth, I'm gonna try chocolate baklava right in the morning. And trust me, as soon as I had the first bite, I was like, oh wow.